Well, good evening, Central Texas. Happy Friday. It's weekend time. Y'all get excited because we got, well, it's officially weekend time, and also maybe kind of hold that excitement down to a moderate level because we do have some slight rain chances for tomorrow Saturday, and we'll talk about what that's about here in just a second. Because first things first, I wanted to show you our current radar right now. This is a radar loop over the last 3 hours in time. I'm showing this because you'll notice right here, there is that 10% chance and coverage of rain that we were talking about the last couple days for today, Friday, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday as well. Tomorrow, Saturday is actually at 20, and you'll see why here in a second. Something else very interesting with this radar loop is you notice how it looks like it's like sprinkling all across the map, all those blue colors that you see. That is not rain. That is actually the radar being refracted, or bending rather, towards the ground. We call that super refraction in the radar and the weather world. We don't know why that's happening. It's because the humidity is rising. So imagine like you're shining a flashlight through like a swimming pool. It bends. Same thing with a radar beam. Shoots out at the speed of light and bends down toward the ground. So that's likely reading the tops of some trees down there because the humidity is rising. Now to our north, this is what's all the hubbub we're going to be talking about here for the next, we're really going to be watching for the next 24 hours. There's a solid cluster of showers. Earlier it was some strong thunderstorms that was moving right over the Red River actually, down into northeastern Texas, down near the Tyler and Paris, Texas area actually. We also have a few showers and storms around the Arkansas, actually right near Little Rock actually. If I step back, there's Little Rock right there. And why are we watching this? Well, the latest computer model trends are suggesting that if a larger cluster of showers and storms develop in the overnight right there, like 5, 6 in the morning time, going into Saturday, if that happens, there could be what's called a mesoscale convective system, or MCS, for the short-term in weather world. If that forms, that's nothing. All that means is that it's a weak area of low pressure, and if that does try forming, there would be an outflow boundary that tries to form off the back end of that. You can see it right there. It tries to sink south into our area, and that is a type of frontal boundary which is necessary to provide lift in the atmosphere to produce some of this. 20% coverage and chance for showers and maybe an isolated non-severe thunderstorm out there somewhere in the later afternoon and maybe early evening for tomorrow, Saturday. You can see right here, here's that outflow boundary sinking a little bit further south, and here's 10 p.m. tomorrow night. So we'll be watching. I hope you're watching too, just checking that radar from time to time, just in case you see that 20% chance and coverage for a shower or storm somewhere. Just for tomorrow, Saturday, because once we're done with Saturday, we're right back to the heat and very, very slim rain chances trend, because high pressure is going to start taking back over our weather. The only reason that rain and that outflow boundary would sink south is because you'll notice the winds around our high pressure dome, which is off the west coast and actually right around the Four Corners region. Winds are coming out of the north and moving down south. You'll notice there's another high pressure region out here just off the east coast. We call this a Bermuda high pressure in the weather world. That is also going to grab another batch of moisture, but that moisture is coming out of the Pacific, and it's coming in the form of a tropical wave, which is right about here. It's actually moving right over Florida right now as we speak, and over the next 24 hours, we're expecting this tropical wave to split into two sections, with the east section moving right along the east coast and the west section moving right along the northern Gulf into Texas and Louisiana by Monday and Tuesday, continuing us on a very low, slim 10% rain chance. So what that means is over the next few days, we're going to hold on to very very low rain chances, just 10%, mainly for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But after that moisture vacates the region, we're right back to high pressure taking control of our weather, with mostly sunny skies all the way into next week. High temperatures reaching back into the low 100s by next weekend. And if you missed this forecast, you can always watch the earlier forecast on the 6 News app. It'll cost you exactly $0.